Public Exam Model Paper Class 8 Second Language English Total marks 40 1. Four alternatives are given for each of the following questions. Incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with the option for question numbers 1 to 20. 20 into 1 equals 20. 1 mark each. Alternative 1. Mary is happy with her friends. The synonym of the underlined word is. To understand this question, synonym means the same word. So we have four options. A. Unhappy. B. Joy. C. Sorrow. D. Sad. So same type of word. So happy would match with B. Joy. The answer is B. Joy. The cow is a useful animal. The underlined word in the above sentence is and so. There are four parts of speech here. A. Adjective. B. Verb. C. Noun. D. Adverb. The underlined word here is cow. So it's obviously a common noun. So the answer is C. Noun. 3. Ramya and her sister going to Mysore tomorrow. The appropriate verb to be filled in the above blank is. You have four options here. These are auxiliary verbs, so helping verbs. Going is the main verb, so are going A option. B is going. C was going. D were going. So we'll take out the answer. Since Ramya and her sister, it's plural. So is used for singular. Ramya is going to Mysore tomorrow if it's only Ramya. So Ramya and her sister would be are going. So A, are is the answer. Aisha 4 dances with her friends. The appropriate adverb to be filled in the blank is. You have four options. A. Politely. B. Melodiously. C. Neatly. D. Gracefully. So Aisha dances with her friends. We will use the word gracefully because that's the correct answer. She is dancing gracefully. Fifth alternative. India in brackets the verb is written as typed as win. The ICC World Cup in 1983. The appropriate form of the verb to be filled in the above blank is. A. Win. B. Winning. C. Won. D. To win. For these types of questions, you try to find the timeline 1983. So the answer has to be C. India won the ICC World Cup in 1983. Next alternative. Study the following picture and choose the correct answer for question number 6 to 7. So we see a group of boys are playing. Let's see the options. 6. The boys are in the You have four options here. A. Science lab. So we don't see a science lab there. B. Field. C. Classroom. D. Library. So it's very easy. The boys are in the field. So it would be B would be the answer. The next question is 7. The boys in the picture are You have four options here. A. Playing kabaddi. B. Reading books. C. Standing quietly. D. Passing the ball to one another. So we look at the picture again and you can see obviously they are passing the ball to one another. So the answer would be D. Passing the ball to one another. Eight. Birbal solved many problems in the court. He has a dash minister. The appropriate adjective to be filled in the blank is. Now adjectives describes a noun or describes a person or a place. So you have four options. A. Kind. So Birbal, you cannot say he was a kind minister. B. Wise. C. Weak. D. Foolish. So Birbal solved. So you always have to look at the question carefully and with your pencil underline the main key words. So Birbal solved many problems. Obviously the answer is B. Wise. 9. Rahim is dash best student in the class. He is also dash good dancer. The appropriate articles to be filled in the blanks are. So you must be careful when you deal with articles. The definite and the indefinite. The is the definite, the indefinite a and an. So Rahim is obviously the best student in the class. He is also a good dancer. So D should be the answer to this objective. Read the given passage and choose the correct answer for question numbers 10 to 11. Dear visitors, welcome to the biological park. Due to COVID-19, the park will be open from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. only. Sunday will be a holiday. Wear your mask properly. Please follow the rules and maintain physical distance. Now let's go to the question 10. The biological park will be open from. So what you have to do in these situations is have a pencil in hand, and sometimes you may be excited and mark the wrong answer. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So be very careful. You have four options here. A. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. B. 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. C. 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. D. 9 p.m. to 11 a.m. So we see C and D is irrelevant. So we always have to be very careful with the a.m. and p.m. So obviously it's the answer A. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. as you can see it right here. So it's the answer A. The visitors are required to bring proper change, maintain physical distance, wear neat dress, bring paper bags from home. So obviously we have to go back to the question and always have a pencil in hand to mark the main thing. Please follow the rules. Physical distance, maintain physical distance. So obviously it is the answer, maintain physical distance. So the answer is right there in the paragraph itself. So that's about it. 12. Please, could you listen dash me? The appropriate preposition to be filled in the blank is. So preposition always show the relation of a noun over pronoun. A. On. B. At. C. With. D. To. So obviously, please, could you listen to me? So D would be the answer, to me. 13. The Basam dash B plus play. The B verb here, Coco with her friends. The appropriate verb form to be filled in the blank is A. Are playing. B. Am playing. C. Is playing. D. Were playing. So you have the auxiliary, which is the helping verb, and the main verb. So, as I told you, is in our singular. So, the Bassam is playing Coco with her friends. So, the answer is C, is playing Coco with her friends. You cannot say am playing, were playing Coco with her friends. So that is plural form, or are playing, again is a plural form. So is playing. The subject is singular. Read the following poem and choose the correct answer for question numbers 14 and 15. I had a dove, and the sweet dove died, and I have thought it died if grieving. Oh, what it grieved for! Its feet were tied with a single thread of my own hands weaving. The word died rhymes with the word. So rhymes means it should rhyme with a particular word. You have four options. A, had. So died, no. B, thread, no. C, could, obviously. It's off tune. So when you hear music, it should be like, rhyming means like sound of music. So we can see died will rhyme with the word tied, T-I-E-D. So D is the option here. The poet had tied the bird with a rope, thread, wire or cloth. So you go back to the poem. With a single thread of my own hands weaving. With a single thread of my own hands weaving. So the answer would be C, thread. Again, for these options, you must be very careful to mark with your pencil while you're reading the poem. You must mark, read the question again and mark the correct answer should be in the question. So died, T-I-E-D, tied, rhymes with tied. And when they ask you for rope, thread, wire, cloth, so we can see thread is here, single thread. So be careful when you do these type of objectives. Tips. Alternatives or objectives can be tricky, so always read the question carefully more than twice and use a pencil to mark key points, keywords or key phrases. The rest of the paper would follow in the next session.